In this session, you're going to explore Microsoft Entra Private Access, a powerful capability that helps you provide secure, zero-trust-based access to private corporate resources without relying on legacy VPNs. If you're managing hybrid or multi-cloud environments, or you're tired of the complexity and security gaps in traditional remote access setups, this is exactly what you need to understand. Think of Microsoft Entra Private Access as your secure digital bridge between users and private resources, no matter where they are. Whether someone is sitting in the office, working from home, or traveling across the globe, they can safely access internal applications, databases, or services hosted in your private network, hybrid cloud, or multi-cloud environments. Here's the best part: they don't need a VPN. Instead, Microsoft Entra Private Access builds on Entra's application proxy and extends secure access to any private resource, any port, any protocol. Let's walk through what makes this a game changer for your access strategy. You no longer need to punch holes in your perimeter with VPNs. Instead, users connect to specific internal resources using quick access. That means secure access to defined IP addresses or fully qualified domain names, FQDNs, directly enforced by Entra's Conditional Access. You grant least privilege, per app access. No more all or nothing access like you'd get with a VPN tunnel. You're not limited to web-based apps. With Entra Private Access, you enable access to any application, regardless of protocol. That includes TCP and UDP applications such as RDP, SSH, or database services. Access is granted on a per-application basis, not network-wide. This makes your access policy tighter, cleaner, and far more secure. Do you have older apps that were never designed for modern security standards? Don't worry. You can modernize legacy authentication flows by tightly integrating them with Microsoft Entra's conditional access policies. Now, legacy apps benefit from MFA, device compliance checks, and location-based restrictions without modifying the app itself. Here's the icing on the cake. You deliver all this security without disrupting users. Microsoft Entra Private Access quietly works through a lightweight desktop client that picks up network traffic. It integrates seamlessly with your current setup, even if you already use a third-party Secure Service Edge (SSE) solution. Your users won't even notice the shift, but your security team will, because you've just massively improved your security posture. When should you use Microsoft Entra Private Access? You should consider deploying this service if you want to eliminate or reduce dependency on VPNs. You have private apps hosted in hybrid or multi-cloud setups. You need fine-grained, per-app remote access controls. You need to enforce modern access policies on legacy systems. You want better visibility and integration without user disruption. So, what's your key takeaway? By using Microsoft Entra Private Access, you remove the complexity and risk of VPNs. Apply zero-trust principles directly to private app access. Modernize access without rewriting legacy apps. Support secure access for any device from any location. You're now equipped with a more secure, scalable, and user-friendly way to connect your workforce to the private apps they need, no matter where those apps live.